Now, this is how you can make the AirPods Max louder. Let's get into it. So at first, there are some settings which you can tweak inside of the music section. So if you open up the settings app and find the music section specifically, you will have the ability to change some equalizer modes, right? So this will basically allow you to just change it to a different mode. So in case inside of the EQ, you shouldn't have it or keep it at off, but change it to something like increase bass, which should be a little bit louder or like more intensive on the bass, or the late night profile is also considered to be bumping up the sound of the the AirPods. But that's just one approach, and that is for using the music app. However, what I personally noticed was that whenever I listen to the music on a different streaming platforms, right? So let's say I was streaming the same song on Apple Music and on YouTube. Well, I noticed that it is simply much louder on YouTube. So I would encourage you to play around with it, right? So you can ensure that you check it out in like multiple different platforms to see if the sound isn't a bit louder on a different one. Because for me, it definitely was the case. But still, you have some third-party equalizer apps and apps where you can import music and tweak the audio and a sound and make it even louder. So if you would want to, you can play around with this kind of app. And of course, you need to be a little bit more advanced and know what's really going on in here. But you have some options when it comes to increasing the sound and the max volume of your AirPods Max. So that's how it works. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video informative and helpful. And if you have more questions, then please leave them below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the future.